For over 2 decades, Adarios has always been about pushing the envelope, always doing what it takes to deliver its best, about doing what others may say is impossible. We stand behind what we do 100%. We live for the challenges. There's no other company that I know of in this area with such a passion for serving others and bringing its people to their personal and professional best. The difference between good service and great service is the attention to detail. When I started this company, I knew from the very beginning that serving clients was going to be a really important part of our story. And now, over 2 decades later, we can proudly say that we have served over 50,000 people in Massachusetts. At Adarios, you're surrounded by people that love working with each other. They're curious problem solvers, up for any kind of challenge. Nothing prevents them from moving forward and serving at the highest level. I think powerful work ethic, passion, and relentlessness are important advantages the person should have coming here, because there's so much effort put into delivering what you see as a finished product, be it an on-demand water heater, a bath makeover, a replacement HVAC system, whole house generator, or just a quick plumbing repair. What's presented to the client is this kind of effortless, easy transaction. You don't really know how much goes on behind the scenes, but believe me, there's a lot. There's always more than one way to solve a problem. We look for the innovators. You've got to be flexible and adaptable to work at Adarios. Those who work here have the ability to adjust quickly to circumstances that continually change. And the best part about working at Adarios is the feeling that what you've brought to the table has contributed to something greater than yourself. And in that way, you're changing people's worlds. You will easily gain more out of working here for 2 years than you would get out of working for another company for 5. There is a lot of places that you can find happiness. Work, when structured right, is one of the few places where you can really find meaning. And I think what Adarios gives its employees is the opportunity to be part of something really, really meaningful. And the best part is that we're just getting warmed up.